Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Leah Ari, and today I have a wig from VIVIBABI Hair. It is a headband wig. It is 18 inches and is deep wave. So in the box, it came with this floral green headband. It came with wig caps, and it came with the headband wig. So this is the first time that I ever had a headband wig. So I'm going to actually put it on my mom because she's been wanting to have a wig, but she doesn't like the wig to be glued down and stuff. So this would be perfect for her. So I'm just showing you the inside of the wig and what the construction looks like and stuff. My mom's hair is brown, so she wanted me to dye the wig, so we'll be doing a bleach bath. Okay, I'm going to use Perfect Blonde bleaching powder. I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to use 3 big scoops. And I'm going to go on with my 20 volume developer, and I didn't measure the developer. I just poured until I feel like it was enough, and then I'm going to mix the bleach and developer together until it's the right consistency and so it's mixed up well. And then I'm going to fill the bucket up with some hot water. Okay, now I'm mixing the water and the bleach mixture together, and then I'm going to add the hair in. When I add the hair, I'm going to dip it and then brush it, and then keep dipping it and brush it, so I can make sure each strand of hair is getting coated with the bleach mixture. I don't know how long I left this in there. I didn't time it. I literally just put it in there and I walked away, and I kept coming back and checking it until it was the right color. So if you're doing the bleach bath, make sure you're just around so you can know when it starts changing color, and so you can know when to take it out. As you can see, the color came out as a nice chocolate brown. So since it changed colors, you know this hair is really humid. It's not synthetic at all. Okay, this is my lovely mother, and I put a wig. Okay, she had 4 braids in. I braided her hair into 4 braids, and I put it into a bun in the back because she wanted to wear the braids as a style. So throughout the rest of this video, when I'm styling the hair, you're going to see the big lump in the back with the bun because her hair isn't flat in the back. So yeah, so I'm putting the wig on. Her head is a little too small for the wig, so it came with Velcro to Velcro the headband. I had to tie it instead of using the Velcro because her head was too small. She didn't want the black headband. She wanted to use the headband that the wig came with, so we're going to put that on. Also, the wig was kind of sliding back, but there are 2 combs at the top of the wig, so I used the combs and I put it attached to her braids so it stayed in place and stopped sliding back.
I just wanna get away, still right next to you.
on it. And this is what it look like when it's wet. You know, she's showing it, fluffing it up. She's going to turn around and show the back of it. Now I'm going to put her hair into a bun. Like I said earlier, she has braids into a bun, so the bun is protruding out the back of the wig. Just ignore that, because if you braid your hair flat or do like a real flat ponytail, then your bun's not going to show. But yeah, I'm going to put her hair into a bun into a ponytail, so you can see different styles you could do. Okay, this is the end of the video. I re-wet the hair, as you can see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.